In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Salesforce. We'll walk through the process in Salesforce Lightning, make sure you know exactly where to click, and point out a few practical checks along the way so you can delete confidently and safely. Start by opening Salesforce and landing on the home page in Lightning Experience. From here, look to the top left for the app launcher, the grid, or waffle icon. Click it to open your list of apps and items. In the search bar or from the list, choose Accounts. This takes you to your Accounts list view, typically showing your recent records. In the list, identify the account you intend to remove. Before we delete anything, it's smart to verify details. Click the row's Show Actions menu, the small down arrow at the end of the records row. Choose Edit to quickly review or adjust key fields. This is a good moment to confirm you're looking at the correct record and that there are no last-minute updates to capture. If ownership needs to be updated before deletion, click Change Owner to assign the account appropriately. Some teams prefer reassigning or confirming ownership to keep audit trails clear, even if you're ultimately removing the record. You may also see an option like Edit Labels, depending on your list view configuration. Click Edit Labels to see how the record appears in your list and, if needed, standardize naming before you proceed. While these actions aren't required to delete, they are helpful quality checks to avoid removing the wrong record or losing important context. When you're ready, open the Show Actions menu again and click Delete. Salesforce displays a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the account. Take a moment to read this message. Deleting an account typically moves it to the recycle bin, and related records like contacts, opportunities, or activities may also be affected depending on your org's configuration and the relationships in place. If your organization relies on compliance or retention policies, confirm you have the proper approvals before continuing. To proceed, click Delete in the confirmation dialog. I'm going to demonstrate the safety option as well. If you decide not to go through with it at this time, click Cancel instead. Canceling returns you to the list without making any changes, which is useful if you pause to double-check dependencies or confirm with a teammate. Back in the list view, open the Show Actions menu once more for the same account. Click Delete again to revisit the confirmation prompt. This second pass reinforces where the control is and helps you build muscle memory. Review the message carefully. If you're certain, click Delete to finalize the removal in your environment. If you're conducting a dry run or protecting live data during training, you can click Cancel to keep the record intact. I'll select Cancel here to preserve the example account and conclude this walkthrough safely. That's the full flow. Go to Home, open the app launcher, select Accounts, use Show Actions to review with Edit, explore Change Owner and Edit Labels if needed, then choose Delete, confirm the prompt, or back out with Cancel if you need to stop. A few final tips to keep in mind as you apply this in your org. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to delete accounts. If you don't see the delete option, check with your admin. Be aware of related records. Opportunities, cases, and contacts may also be impacted or removed, depending on setup. If your team uses the recycle bin, know how long items are retained and who can restore them. And when working in production, consider exporting or documenting critical details before deletion so nothing important is lost. You now know exactly how to delete an account in Salesforce, where to confirm the action, and how to cancel safely if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and practice these steps in a sandbox or test record first to build confidence before you work with live data.